Hi, I'm JP Morgan. I'm JP Morgan. You know, we've all got a confident side and a not so confident side of our personalities. Let's develop and strengthen the confidence side. Here's 10 points on how you can gain confidence to know you're ready to make money in photography. Follow these 10 points, you'll gain a lot of confidence. Don't listen to that side of your personality. Number 1, you only need a certain amount of equipment to be able to make money in photography. You don't need a huge amount of equipment, just a few simple things, a camera and a lens to start with, and a few other basics. Check out our 6 things you need to be able to make money in photography video. That is all the equipment that you need. You can't shoot without all the latest equipment. You need all the good stuff. I mean, how are clients going to trust you if you don't have a lot of equipment? You need equipment. If you don't have equipment, you can't shoot. Number 2, to gain confidence and start to make money in photography, start by photographing all of your friends, your children, your friends, anyone that you know. As you take pictures of the people around you and you do it just for fun, you're going to start to create portfolio pieces. You're going to start to create images you can use to show the type of work that you want to do, and it's going to give you confidence. The more times you photograph, the more confidence you're going to gain, and if it's in a no-loss situation where you're not really getting paid, it's going to give you confidence to know you can do it when it's time to get paid. That's going to make me too uncomfortable to try to ask the people I know to take pictures. I mean, what if they don't like my pictures? I'm going to have to see them all the time. I don't know. Maybe I want to do products. I don't want to shoot people. Just too uncomfortable. Number 3, show your images to other people, either in a photo class or a photo club or some kind of a Facebook group. Show your images and get feedback. As you get feedback, you're going to get confidence. You're going to say, oh, I understand what I can do better. I understand what I did that was really good. And that gives you confidence to move forward. So show your images. I don't want to show my pictures to anybody. I just want to be able to look at my pictures myself. What if they don't like them? What if they say things about them I don't like? You know, I don't want to show my pictures to anybody. Number 4, create a portfolio with your images. What's a portfolio? It's a website where all of your images are together. Put your very best images up there and then get rid of the ones that aren't as good as you get better images. But seeing a body of work is going to give you confidence to start to charge money. You can let people look at that when you think the time is right, but you have to get a body of work together. It gives you direction, it gives you vision, it helps you start to feel like, I can do this. I can do portraits. I can do product work. You start to see it develop and it gives you confidence to keep shooting more. So create a website. It's too much work to be able to put things up on the website. I don't even know how to do that anyway, and it's going to cost me money, and I'm not ready. My images aren't ready. I don't have enough good images. I don't want to put together a portfolio and a website. It's just too soon. Number 5, shoot anything you're offered. Don't turn anything down. Now, if morally you just don't think it's right for you, then don't do it. But don't do it because, well, I don't want to shoot mufflers. I shot mufflers for a long time before I started doing my large set production work. But it gave me confidence. I started to shoot and get paid. I was shooting images and getting better. My skills were getting better. My confidence was growing. Be prepared for that time when they're going to ask you to do something, saying, well, do you shoot weddings? I've never shot a wedding. Be confident you can do it. Do the research, find out what you need to do, and then go and do the job. I know a comedian who said she was offered many roles in sitcoms, but said no to every single one of them because she didn't think they were good enough or right for her. In the end, she never did a sitcom. She missed out completely. So don't turn things down. Do everything you're offered, and that'll help you move forward and gain confidence. I'm not going to shoot anything that comes along. I want to shoot for people who really understand my style, and they want to do what I like to do. Those are the people I want to work with. I'm not going to waste my time on dumb things. I want to shoot the cool stuff. Number 6, your goal is to move up. Every time you do a job, you want to find better jobs. But keep doing those jobs. Don't turn things down, but look to move up and do better work. If you don't want to do mufflers, which I didn't, you could do 2 websites, one for weddings, one for mufflers. You can have different places that show your work. Just attach your name to the one that you want inevitably to be your look and your work and the type of work you really want to do. But your goal is to try to look to move up. Try to move your clients up. Try to find better clients. Your goal is to find a better job. Every time you move up to a little better job, your confidence goes up. Going, wow, I'm able to do better jobs. People are looking to me for work that is better. That is a confidence builder. So look to move up and give yourself a pat on the back every time you do move up. Take a moment and glory in that. Know that you're moving up and getting better. That's going to help you gain confidence. But I've got great images, like travel images I shot when I was in Tibet. I have to have those in my portfolio because they're just cool. They just show my personality. It doesn't matter if they match my portfolio because I want to do fashion. It's cool stuff. You know, so I'm going to put up whatever I want. Let me just show anything that I have. Number 7, spend 50% of your time looking for work. How does that give you confidence? Because you know that work is going to come. There's a possibility for work to come. If you aren't looking for work, then you sit there going, how will I ever get a job? And you just start to collapse in on yourself. But when you're looking, then you feel hope, like there's going to be jobs that are going to come. You feel like things are going to happen. Photography is a lot about looking for work and running a business and not just taking pictures. So you've got to concentrate that 50% of your time on looking for jobs, and your confidence goes up. Every time you spend 2 or 3 hours in the morning looking for jobs, you sit down and feel confident that things are going to come. Confidence comes from looking for work. My work comes to me because from word of mouth. People tell other people, that's how I get my job. I'm not going to call people. I'm not going to spend time looking for jobs. I'm a creative person. I need to be shooting. I need to be doing the cool things that keep me creative. I'm not going to look for work. Number 8, one of the greatest ways to gain confidence when you're in a creative process is to find a mentor. Someone who's going to help you to move forward. It makes you feel confident that you can face the challenges that you're going to encounter because you have a person to go to who's going to help you overcome those challenges. You can create a mentoring group. A lot of people are at the same place in this process. I was learning how to do bees, and I connected with another person who was at the same level as I was, but at least I had someone to talk to. He would say, well, I read this and I read that, and we were able to talk with each other. I know a really high-end business people have $1-million businesses and making millions of dollars a year, and they still mentor together with a group of other business owners so they can trade ideas and get confidence in that experience. So find a mentor, create a mentoring group. That's going to give you confidence and help you to move forward, knowing that you can overcome the challenges that you're going to face. I got this. I know what I'm doing. I don't need other people to tell me what to do. That just doesn't make any sense. I mean, I've got this. I know what I need to do. I don't need mentors. You know, they don't understand me. They don't understand what I need to do. It's not for me. Number 9, know you can do this and then prove it to yourself. You're going to need to change in this process as you go through the years. There are going to be times you're going to need to change your portfolio, your point of view, maybe even what you do. I changed from doing stills to a lot of video. But just have the confidence that as you keep moving forward, that things will come, things will happen. You just have to keep moving forward and prove to yourself every day you can keep doing this. Don't give up, keep shooting. As you move forward, you're going to gain confidence that I can change, adapt, and move forward with the industry, and that's going to help you stay on top of it, make money in this industry, and have a lot of confidence. It's just too hard, and it's just too hard. Sometimes I don't want to do it. It's just too hard. Number 10, when you get discouraged, refer back to number 2. Start photographing. Maybe you've progressed enough in your career that you can photograph the models and the locations and make better work, different work, something interesting. As you photograph, as you shoot, the photo gods open doors for you and work will come. So I always refer back to 2, which is continue to photograph, and 7, which is start looking for clients. If you do those 2 things, you're going to have confidence, you're going to move forward even when things get tough. Stop listening to that negative side of your personality. Let confidence take over. Do these 10 things, refer to them often, and it'll help you to grow and feel more confident, and you'll be successful in this experience. I want you to be successful. I want you to feel confidence. It is one of the hardest things for creative people is to continue to feel confident every single day. Do these 10 things, it'll help you have confidence. You're ready to make money in photography. I can continue to make money in photography. So leave some of your stories. Leave them in the stories in the comments below. We want to hear your stories about overcoming and becoming stronger and more confident. We want to hear those stories. So keep those cameras rolling and keep on clicking.